Do you get confused or scared when shopping online in English? In this video, you'll learn simple English phrases to shop and pay confidently online.
Shopping and Payments Online, Episode 13.
Let's start with the most common online situation, finding and ordering an item.
Scenario Module 1, Finding and Ordering Items. Common Learner Problem.
Many learners say, I want buy this, I order this now. Grammar mistake and unclear tone.
Correct and natural online shopping English.
Use these simple and correct phrases instead. I'd like to buy this item. I want to place an order. Is this item available? Can I order this online? I'm looking for this product.
Model examples. I'd like to buy this item. Is this item available? I want to place an order.
Grammar insight. Notice the structure. I buy this. I'd like to buy this. Polite verbs equal natural English.
Micro practice. Ordering. Say this out loud. I'd like to buy this item. I want to place an order.
Transition to next scenario. Now let's move to something very important, checking price, delivery, and details.
Scenario Module 2, Price, Delivery, and Details. Common learner mistake.
Learners often say, how much this? When come? Too short. Sounds confusing.
Correct and natural phrases.
Use these instead. How much does this cost? Is delivery free? When will it be delivered? What is the delivery time? Are there any extra charges?
Model examples. How much does this cost? Is delivery free? When will it be delivered?
Grammar insight. Questions usually start with how much, when will, is there. This makes English clear and polite.
Micro practice. Delivery. Repeat. When will it be delivered? Is delivery free?
Yellow. Penultimate segment. Summary and review. Let's quickly review the most important phrases from part 1. I'd like to buy this item. I want to place an order. How much does this cost? When will it be delivered? Say any two aloud now.
Green, dedicated speaking practice, interactive. Answer out loud. 1. You like a product online. What do you say? 2. You want to know delivery time. What do you ask? Pause. Speak clearly. No long sentences needed.
Great job! You just used online shopping English confidently. Like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to Ms. Grammar.
Next part, Episode 13, Part 2, Payments, Errors, and Online Problems.